There are many camping gear products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping gear from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 10. RAYMYLO Water Bottle. Rating 4.7. Stay hydrated all day with this premium 87-ounce insulated water bottle built for performance and durability. Perfect for the gym, hiking, camping, travel, and everyday hydration. Featuring triple-wall copper-plated vacuum insulation, it keeps drinks ice-cold for up to 48 hours. It keeps beverages hot for up to 24 hours with consistent temperature control. Designed with full leak-proof lids, including both straw and spout options. No spills, no leaks, just reliable hydration even during rough movement or travel. The iconic paracord handle adds strength, style, and outdoor functionality. Includes a built-in compass and carabiner, making it perfect for adventure use. Made from 18-8 food-grade stainless steel, it's BPA-free, durable, and safe for everyday use. Wide-mouth design makes it easy to fill, clean, and add ice anytime. Everything you need comes in the box: multiple lids, straws, cleaning tools, and a carrying pouch. Order now and upgrade your hydration game with confidence and style. Number 9. Rain Jacket for Camping. Rating 4.6. Stay dry and comfortable in any weather with this premium waterproof rain suit for men. Perfect for hiking, camping, cycling, fishing, and daily outdoor use. Designed for portability, it comes with a compact storage bag for easy packing. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it fits perfectly in your suitcase without taking up space. The rain jacket features a hideaway adjustable hood for flexible protection. Elastic cuffs, drawcord hood, and adjustable hem keep rain and wind out. The rain pants offer a fully elastic waistband with a drawstring for a perfect fit. Half-leg zippers and Velcro closures make it easy to put on over shoes quickly. Smart utility design includes multiple waterproof pockets for your essentials. Plus, reflective detailing keeps you visible and safe in low-light conditions. Built for all outdoor adventures and everyday commuting in unpredictable weather. Lightweight, durable, and ready when you are. Order now and stay protected anywhere. Number 8. Camping Fan. Rating 4.5. Stay cool anywhere with this powerful portable camping fan designed for outdoor comfort. Perfect for camping, travel, power outages, and emergency situations. Control it your way with 3 wind speeds and full remote operation. Adjust settings, airflow, and timers without even leaving your seat. Built-in LED lantern with up to 600 lux brightness keeps your campsite fully illuminated. With 2 lighting modes, it works perfectly as both a fan and a light source. Powered by a massive 12,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it runs up to 65 hours. Plus, USB output lets you charge your phone or other devices anytime. 360-degree rotation and a foldable hook make it easy to hang anywhere. Tent, car, office, or outdoor space, cooling and lighting wherever you need it. Compact, powerful, and built for real outdoor life. Backed by a 90-day refund and 1-year support for total peace of mind. Order now and stay cool wherever you go. Number 7. Camping Hammock. Rating 4.6. Experience ultimate outdoor comfort with this durable camping hammock built for real adventures. Designed for camping, hiking, backpacking, and overnight outdoor relaxation. Made from high-quality 210T parachute nylon, it's soft, strong, and built to last. With a 500-pound weight capacity, it supports both comfort and reliability in the wild. Stay protected with the built-in B3 mesh mosquito net. It keeps bugs out while letting you enjoy fresh air without constant bites. Rain or shine, you're covered. The integrated rainfly and sun protection design keeps you dry, shaded, and comfortable in all weather. Spacious interior design gives you full relaxation space plus storage pockets for your phone and essentials. Perfect for overnight camping and long outdoor trips. Quick setup in just minutes with straps, stakes, ropes, and carabiners included. No extra tools needed. Just hang, relax, and enjoy nature. Order now and upgrade your outdoor experience instantly. Number 6. Mosquito Repellent Spray. Rating 4.7. Don't let mosquitoes ruin your outdoor experience again. This powerful insect repellent is designed to protect you wherever adventure takes you. Formulated with 40% DEET, it delivers strong, long-lasting protection you can trust. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or any outdoor activity. It helps repel mosquitoes that may carry dangerous viruses like Zika, West Nile, dengue, and chikungunya, giving you peace of mind while you enjoy the outdoors. But it doesn't stop there. It also repels ticks, gnats, biting flies, chiggers, fleas, and more. A complete defense against annoying and harmful insects. The easy-to-use aerosol spray makes application fast and convenient. Compact design lets you carry it anywhere in your backpack or gear. Built for families and outdoor adventurers who refuse to be bothered by bugs. Stay protected, stay comfortable, and enjoy every moment outside. Order now and take control of your outdoor experience. Number 5. Fire Starter Survival Tool. Rating 4.7. Meet the ultimate survival fire starter built for real outdoor conditions. Designed for camping, hiking, bushcraft, and emergency fire starting anywhere you go. Made from premium extra thick ferrocerium, this fire starter delivers over 15,000 strikes. That's 50% more durability than standard fire steels on the market. Rain, wind, or snow, this tool performs in all weather conditions without fail. Even in wet environments, it helps you create a reliable ignition source fast. This all-in-one survival kit includes a ferro rod, multi-tool striker, natural fatwood tinder, and storage pouch. Everything you need for quick and efficient fire starting in one compact set. Built with eco-friendly materials like natural wood and recyclable packaging. No plastic, no waste, just a strong, sustainable survival tool for serious adventurers. Designed in France and tested in real-world conditions for maximum reliability. Perfect for anyone who wants confidence in the wild. Order now and stay ready to start fire anytime, anywhere. Number 4. VRIEXSD Large First Aid Kit. Rating 4.8. Be prepared for anything life throws at you with this 400-piece emergency first aid kit. Designed to handle cuts, burns, scrapes, and unexpected injuries anytime, anywhere. Inside you'll find essential medical supplies like bandages, tourniquets, an emergency blanket, and more. Everything you need to respond quickly in emergencies. Smart, divided compartments with clear labels make it easy to find what you need fast. No stress, no confusion, just quick access when every second matters. Compact and portable at just 9.4 by 3.9 by 6.8 inches and only 2.64 pounds. Easily carry it in your backpack or car, or store it at home or work. Made with durable 1680D polyester, this kit is strong, waterproof, and built for extreme conditions. Perfect for outdoor adventures like hiking, camping, sports, or travel. Ideal for families, workplaces, and emergency preparedness anywhere. Give yourself peace of mind and be ready before emergencies happen. Order now and stay protected. Number 3. Multitool Axe. Rating 4.6. Meet the ultimate outdoor survival tool that replaces an entire toolbox. This is the 14-in-1 multi-tool axe built for camping, survival, and everyday emergencies. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, this tool is made to last through extreme conditions. Strong, reliable, and ready for any outdoor challenge you face. It's more than just an axe, it's a full survival kit in your hand. Includes knife, pliers, saw, hammer, wrenches, screwdrivers, bottle opener, and more. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or doing quick repairs, this tool has you covered. Perfect for outdoor adventures, DIY tasks, and emergencies. Comes with a durable nylon sheath for safe carrying and easy storage. Compact design makes it ideal for your backpack, glove box, or travel gear. The perfect gift for men who love adventure, dad, husband, or friend. Backed by a lifetime warranty for total peace of mind. Order now and be ready for anything, anywhere. Number 2. Kingsguard Hiking Backpack. Rating 4.6. Looking for a backpack that can handle every adventure without slowing you down? Meet your ultimate outdoor hiking backpack built for durability, comfort, and long trips. Made with high-quality water-resistant nylon and tear-resistant fabric, this backpack is built to last. Strong two-way zippers ensure smooth use even in tough outdoor conditions. Stay comfortable all day with a breathable mesh back panel. Thickened S-shaped shoulder straps, chest straps, and waist support reduce pressure and balance your load. With a massive 65 plus 5-liter capacity, you get up to 70 liters of storage space. Perfect for 3 to 5 day trips, hiking, camping, trekking, or travel adventures. Rain or shine, your gear stays protected. This backpack features waterproof nylon and a built-in rain cover to keep everything dry and safe. Lightweight, durable, and airline-friendly, this is your all-in-one travel companion. Order now and upgrade your outdoor experience with total confidence. Number 1. YITAHOME Portable Toilet. Rating 4.6. Looking for a reliable portable toilet that actually feels stable and clean? Meet your ultimate outdoor sanitation solution built for comfort, durability, and convenience anywhere you go. Built with high-density HDPE and PP material, this portable toilet supports up to 441 pounds. Strong, stable, and designed for toddlers, adults, seniors, and everyone in between. With a 2.64-gallon freshwater tank and a 5.28-gallon waste tank, you get multiple uses without constant emptying. Plus, the built-in level indicator tells you exactly when it's time to empty. The advanced T-type water outlet and hand pump system delivers powerful, efficient flushing. And the included sprayer gun ensures deep, easy cleaning in every corner of the bowl. Designed for odor control, the secure slide valve locks in waste and prevents leaks or smells. It's also lightweight, detachable, and comes with a durable 600D Oxford carry bag for easy transport. Perfect for camping, RV trips, boats, construction sites, or emergency use. If you want comfort anywhere, this is the portable toilet you can trust. Order now and upgrade your outdoor experience today. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.